This is the White Mountain Imaging Pinnacle system. It's using a EORS Plus U-arm to manipulate the tube in the flat panel. We're running a Toshiba 17 by 17 flat panel imaging device inside the housing down here. This has the option of using two grids. I can use a 180 centimeter or 70-inch grid. I could store a separate grid for 40 inches down in the holder down here. So they are interchangeable. They're accessible for the technologist right away, depending upon what type of exam they want to run, be it 40-inch SID or 180-inch. Movements on the C-arm are controlled by the front panel here and also duplicated on the handle down here. So depending upon the position of the C-arm, I have access to the controls no matter which position I'm in. I could raise the overall arm this way, and this would be the lower button. I can rotate the arm again, and it goes through its full positions of 30 degrees in this direction. I'll come back to vertical. It'll go to 0 degrees and then stop. Wait, if I want to continue on, I can continue to press the button. It will actually move out here to, if it doesn't squeeze me, down to a 90-degree position and stop. And I have one more position I can get into with an automatic stop, and that is 120 from vertical. Okay? So those are the different positions that have automatic stops. Obviously, I can stop anywhere in between any of these motions to facilitate the particular type of exam I'm running. I can adjust the SID or the source to image distance with a couple of switches here. I can increase the SID. Right now it's set at 40 inches. I can run it out to 180 inches. Again, it should stop automatically when it gets out as far as it wants to go. Or I could run it back into 40 inches. This has the option of running high speed and low speed. Right now it's working in its high speed capacity. If I wanted to run it slower for a little more accuracy, I could press this turtle button and put it into slow motion, so it would actually move quite a bit slower, so I can get a little more accurate movement and positioning if I wanted to. It's got a couple of other nice little options on it. If I wanted to set this up to do a table shot, and this machine comes with an optional portable table that can roll into position for use of tabletop exams. If I press the tabletop button and hold it, the U-arm will move automatically into the table position for me, and then I'd be able to pull the table in, position the patient on the table, and take the exams. Through calibration, we set this up so that this automatically comes to the proper height where the table will slide right over the top of it. If I wanted to do a chest exam, I've got another button here so that I could press this and it will actually move itself into a predetermined chest position. It's going to rotate to the right angle. It's going to go down to a height that we have set during calibration. This final height is, again, when we can set in calibration, set here so that the patient could be brought in, set in this location, and I could raise the whole arm up to get it up underneath the chin for a proper exam. Take it back to the table position there for a minute. I do have the option of tilting my detector down here 30 degrees in either direction. Those controls are not located up on the head. They are only down here on the control arm on the device itself. Again, I can rotate a full 30 degrees this way or a full 30 degrees that way, and it should automatically stop at 0. Okay, so it gives a pause there. If I want to keep going in that direction, I'd have to hit the button again. All the other controls that are up here on this, the head, tube head, are duplicated down here, so the technologist has the option of getting to any position and making it work. Okay, with that, we're going to take a short break, and we'll go over and look at the